welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. This week's video is brought to you by Photobox. I am very pleased, very proud to say that this channel is now sponsored by Photobox.
Everyone's got a story to tell.
For the stories you've made and the ones still to come, we'll print every detail. Let's go make stories. Photobox.
So if you're after photo prints, photo gifts, and in particular if you're an artist that's struggling to sell your work, struggling to make money from your work because your costs are so high, have a look at Photobox and they might help you. Using Photobox for your art prints is smart, it's affordable, and it's smart. It's a smart play. High quality, affordable for all. So let's be smart and use Photobox. So the deal was made after last week's video. Last week's video showing the picture that I put forward for the international competition for inspirational women in sport, which, you know, we didn't win, but actually what turned out was this little deal. So I think we won in the end. I think Queenie was very pleased with that turnaround in fortune. Now, Queenie, it's not a competition. I'm sure Manny had a lot to do with it as well. He was in the background and stuff, and he helped as well. It was a team effort. Teamwork makes the dream work. I did a little work as well. Queenie, Jesus. Yeah, as I alluded to last week, the image that I painted last week led to an image that I'm going to paint this week, which was just the mountains and not the women in clouds images. I painted this on a panel, and the reason I painted this on a panel is because I'm going to start a new premium range of panels, square rather than rectangular, which Photobox do square prints, just so you know. I'm going to do like mountains this week. I'll do like a forest scene, distant landscapes, maybe a beach scene. Okay, let's jump straight in. This is Conquerors. This is for the folks that have a mountain in front of them and are about to conquer it. Seems kind of fitting. This week. There will be two versions of this print. One version will just be looking up at the mountains, and the second version of the print will be the little sort of matchstick figures. They're not mannequins, they're just sort of like outlines of two people looking up the mountains, ready to conquer them. If you wanted to buy a print, you may do so. It'll be half price for today only. Just do it as a way of thanking you for watching the video today. Make sure you tell me when you order your print, if you do order a print, which one you prefer. Do you prefer it without the people, or do you prefer it with the people? It's up to you. Alright, that about does it. Sorry it was a long introduction this week, but I've been very excited and I just had to share that good news. When I say I'm up to something, I mean I'm up to something. And a few weeks ago I said I'm up to something, and I was up to something, and this was what I was up to. Also, I'm up to something. Watch this space. Very exciting times. I bet you thought I would change my last line of my introduction, didn't you? Just because I'm sponsored by some big company now. No, I'm going to keep it exactly the same. It's Coffee Break Thursday. You know what to Photobox. Pop your Photobox on, put your Photobox up, sit back, and Photobox. Photobox. Photobox.